Got the pizza going, pizza dough, pizza sauce, and cheese. Next, I'm going to apply, stay right there.
Okay.
I'm going to apply, it's getting heavy, the meat top onto the pizza. That's freshly cooked. Gonna sprinkle on one side because everybody doesn't eat meat on the pizza. That looks good.
This is gonna be so
It's starting to
good.
look good, ain't it?
Can I say hi to them?
You ain't saying hi to nobody.
Hi.
Nora, what I say?
Yeah.
Ain't nobody on my phone. You just saying stuff now.
This is video.
Okay, so that's half. You do it like this. That's half. And then I'm just going to leave one side with just cheese because you are the weird one.
Yeah.
Okay? And then, yes, mommy's going to be different.
Open it, Mommy.
I'm going to open it. I got to pull the juice off of it. I know. I don't want all that on my stuff. Okay. Now, I'm going to apply. Oh, I hate when I do that, but anyway. Going to apply my lovely, friendly.
Mommy did this at the cheese. This one the cheese. Yes, this is me.
This is not cheese.
What is it?
Called pineapple.
Ooh, pineapple.
Mm-hmm.
So and we make it, Mom, and we make it, guys. We make it what we want it to be, right, Mommy?
Right.
So, Mommy told me, Mommy? But
Right.
and she said, and she got Sajana, and she got all that things she on pizza.
Lacey, can I have this? Stop.
She said, I eat that pizza, cause pizza is good.
So
Guys,
Mama's gonna try something different on her side.
that was just the best. Thank you. Do you wash my mask?
When I'll wash it in just a second.
Thank you.
No rushing. All right. So
Mommy, eat $5 bus.
yeah, I found Nora mask.
Thank you.
This is how it looks now.
Mom, I just got that second. Cut me Jesus.
All right. Please don't do that. Now, this is the pizza. Beautiful. Check it out in a minute. All right, everybody. Final results of the pizza making. Y'all give it a shout out if you think I did really good. Or give us a thumbs down if you think I did bad. But to me, homemade pizza always turns out best. All right, talk to you later.